Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And I haven't did one of these type of videos for a while, so I thought I would do one. There's not a whole lot going on today as far as launches and stuff like that fit in my niche. And that's what this video is about, creating a targeted list towards your niche. You don't want to just be growing subscribers on your list just to be growing subscribers. You want to make sure you grow subscribers that are targeted towards your niche. And when I talk about a list, that doesn't necessarily mean an email list, because they say the money's in the list. Well, a list can be anywhere where you gather an audience. It can be your YouTube channel, it can be your Facebook page, it can be your Twitter followers, your TikTok, whatever floats your boat. But normally what those channels are about is to get people on your email list, and you want to make sure it's a targeted email list. So if you make let's take a Facebook page, a fishing Facebook page, the whole idea is to target people that are into fishing and get them on your fishing email list. Now, the idea of the email list is to make sales and sell fishing products, but you don't want to bombard them with content right away when they sign up on your fishing email list, selling them fishing products. You want to, like the first 13 or 2-week emails, you want to make sure that you send them content that is like what they call an indoctrination. It's a part where they get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you, and then you gradually filter in the promotional emails to sell them fishing products. That's just the fishing niche as an example, but you want to keep that as a targeted fishing niche. Now, you don't want to send people that are on your fishing list dog training stuff. Now, I am particularly into the make money online type of niche, affiliate marketing and stuff like that. I do have a bowling email list, but I don't do much with the bowling anymore. But anyway, you can have related content. So let's just say you got and make money online, but you can also send affiliate marketing. You can also send email marketing, because that's related to the make money online. You can teach them about email marketing in your make money online, because part of making money online is email marketing. You can send them related stuff like social media marketing on your make money online, teaching them how to grow their audience so that they can make money online. So you can have related stuff inside your different niches or lists. So you want to have a list for each niche is what I'm trying to get at, and it wants to be targeted for each one of your niches. So I don't recommend that you send out broadcasts to your new subscribers until after they go through this like 14-day indoctrination period. What I do is I put a tag. I make a campaign, and then after the indoctrination period, I put a tag in my Aweber account, which I use Aweber as an autoresponder, and there will be a link in the description if you want to get Aweber as an autoresponder if you don't already have one. And I put a tag at the end of the campaign that says ended. So when I send out a broadcast, it's tagged with ended. Okay? So anybody that just signs up is not going to get that. The ones that went through the campaign that's got that ended tag on there. So you tag your campaigns after 14 days or whatever, their indoctrination period, with an ended tag. And when you send out a broadcast, you put ended in the tagline. So it'll only send them out to the ones in your list that have went through the indoctrination period. So I hope I didn't jumble around too much. Sometimes I lose my train of thought because, like I said, I have had some TIAs. So I had carotid artery surgery last year, but I didn't really want to talk about my carotid artery surgery. I just want to make sure that you're understanding what I mean, and I might repeat myself and I might stutter. So anyway, the whole idea of this particular video was to let you know you need to do a targeted list towards your niche. or a niche targeted list. We'll call it a niche targeted list. Now, there again, a list can be your Facebook page, your Twitter followers, your YouTube channel, anywhere where you gather an audience. Typically, what you try to do with them type of platforms is to get them on your email list. So that's how it works. You use your social media accounts to get them on your email list. Because really, you don't have much control over the social media accounts. If you do something that they don't like, they can kick you out, or if they decide to close it down, you're out of business. So it's really a good thing to have multiple social media accounts. I like YouTube. I get my most traffic off of YouTube. I don't get much off Facebook. I have Facebook, Twitter, I have a LinkedIn. I just have the best luck with YouTube. It just seems like the best one. I make most of my affiliate sales from YouTube. I know they always talk about the list, the money's in the list, and the money's in a targeted list. And if you don't send them out the targeted content to your list, you're not going to make sales, and you got to get this know, like, and trust thing. The problem with email anymore is people get bombarded with so many different emails. The stats are going down for it over the years, that the open rates and stuff like that, because it's changed so much, and the spam filters and this and that and the other thing. But anyway, create your list, make sure it's a targeted list, and make sure you send out content that is relevant towards your list. So anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.